Okay, so in this video, we are going to configure Twilio so that we can interact with the agent through SMS. And this is the Twilio setup from the setup that Codex has given us. It's saying to go to the messages section, and under this, which says a message comes in, set the webhook URL to this. Now, it knows that I have deployed the solution at this address, and that's where it has got that address from. So it's saying use the method post and keep this Twilio webhook validate equals true. So I'm going to go to Twilio, and this is the messaging service. When a message comes in, I'm going to replace the current webhook with a new one. And I don't see anywhere about this setting, Twilio webhook validate. It's not there. So I'm just going to save the setting. And it saves successfully. And I'm going to just check if there's anything else we need to do. Ensure the app base that is correct. We've already set that. And the rest is super base stuff, which we don't need. All right, so I'm going to say that I have set the webhook. There was no setting for this thing here. So that's fine. Let's just see. Now I want to say, how do I test? And I think I need to send an SMS to my Twilio number. But we'll see. Let's wait for Codex to respond because I may have to do something with this. Twilio webhook validate equals true. Oh, right. This is an app environment variable, not in the Twilio config. That's fine. I'm pretty sure I set that. Let me go and check my Vercel app environment. So it's saying that this should be in Vercel. I'm pretty sure I set that. Let me check. Yes, I can see that it's there and it's set to true. I've already checked. So that is fine. So I've done that. Redeploy. Okay. So do I need to redeploy it because the variable was already set? Okay. So you should send an SMS to your Twilio phone number. You should receive a reply. Now, I don't need to redeploy because that value was already set to true. Right? I would only need to redeploy if I change the environment variable, which I did not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test on my phone, and I'll try and record the phone screen so you can see as well. And let's see if this works. So I'm going to send a message to my Twilio phone number. Now, this would be your client's special number, right? That you have set up in Twilio for this to work. Okay, which is why WhatsApp is great because they can use their existing WhatsApp account and connect it. All right, so let me test this and see how this goes.